Here is the magazine rack ready for the Ogee shapes. First of all, I'm editing the side component, and then I'll zoom in here and place the guidelines to help us place the Ogee shape. First, the vertical guidelines, one at 1 7/16. I'll type in the value, and then there's one at 2 3/4. Type that in, and then there's one at the center line, and I'll just go down and wait till I get the cyan color on the midpoint of the edge and click for the center line. Then the horizontal guidelines, one at 1 1/8 and another at 3 1/4. I type that in. Now I'm ready to start some of the shaping here. First of all, I'll grab the line tool and make that diagonal line to help us with the Ogee. Pick the arc tool, click on the end point and then the midpoint, and bring the bulge out to 3/16 of an inch. Make sure you see the blue dot to make that ensures that you're on the face of the side. Now we can delete the extra straight line segments and finish up the Ogee shape with some lines down the center of the side and then over to here and up to finish the shape. Pick the select tool and double click to get a good look at that shape and the face of the shape. And we need a copy and a mirrored copy of that shape to finish the Ogee shape. So I'm picking the Move Copy tool, hitting Control key for the copy, pushing that copy over to the right off to the side, and then right-clicking and doing a flip along on the green direction and bringing that copy, which has been flipped, back to the center line, connect. Now, we need a copy of this shape. We'll use it later in the front of the magazine rack, so I'll double click on that shape and I'll make a new component called Ogee shape. Make sure that the that replace selection with component is unchecked, and then click create. And we got a center line that we can get rid of with the eraser tool. Now we're ready to do a push-pull and open up that whole side shape. And we can click with the push-pull tool on that back edge over here. Click, and we've got the... Now there's some extra lines in here that we can soften and smooth with the eraser tool and tapping Control key and then clicking on these extra lines to soften them, make them go away, and then we can delete the guidelines that we've placed, holding the eraser key down and just swiping across the guidelines, and then close the component, and we've finished the shaping of the side.